I've come to find that, despite all the market and buzz and hype around, oh, this one's better at this task, and oh, this one came up with a new model, and we got to, there's all sorts of benchmarks, and those are helpful. But more helpful is to say, okay, we're going to pick a strategy for how we are going to use AI, and we're going to train some people to think about the tasks that we do at our job and the things that we can automate, and we're going to pilot with those, and we're going to create examples and see if it's meeting our basic needs, and then we're going to roll that out. And that's way more important than what foundational model you use. Because it's usually based off of proprietary data, a clear understanding of your tasks and your goals, breaking that down through prompt engineering and other tools into very clear steps, and breaking the tasks down into the smallest digestible steps possible, and thinking about it in a scalable production sort of like, if we do this repeatedly rather than just a one-off, I'm having a chat with AI, and then creating systems around that. And you don't have to build a giant system to do that. Hey, let us worry about which model is the best for this task, but we'll work with you to define those tasks. And in fact, we can add more agents, we can add more tools, we can add more workflows, we can work with you to define those. And that's the kind of stuff we're doing with WGU right now. And then let your teams learn how to use those and try them out. And it requires rethinking your processes.